How do you say the dog barks in Spanish?
El perro ladra.
How do you say the cat meows in Spanish?
El gato maulla.
How do you say the bird sings in Spanish?
El pájaro canta pía.
How do you say the horse neighs in Spanish?
El caballo relincha.
How do you say the cow moos in Spanish?
La vaca muge.
How do you say the sheep bleats in Spanish?
La oveja bala.
How do you say the goat bleats in Spanish?
La cabra bala.
How do you say the pig grunts in Spanish?
El cerdo gruñe.
How do you say the rooster crows in Spanish?
El gallo canta.
How do you say the hen clucks in Spanish?
La gallina cacarea.
How do you say the duck quacks in Spanish?
El pato grazna.
How do you say the goose honks in Spanish?
El ganso grazna.
How do you say the turkey gobbles in Spanish?
El pavó gluglutea.
How do you say the donkey brays in Spanish?
El burro rebuzna.
How do you say the mouse squeaks in Spanish?
El ratón chilla.
How do you say the frog croaks in Spanish?
La rana croa.
How do you say the owl hoots in Spanish?
El búho ulula.
How do you say the dove coos in Spanish?
La paloma arrulla.
How do you say the bee buzzes in Spanish?
La abeja zumba.
How do you say the fly buzzes in Spanish?
La mosca zumba.
How do you say the cricket chirps in Spanish?
El grillo canta.
How do you say the snake hisses in Spanish?